Where'd he go? Right here. Spartan! Where's the device? Okay, just don't hurt me. The city officials sure wanted this thing back for a reason, and badly. Still don't know what it's for. Sure hope it was worth it.
Spartan, can you please tell City News why you left this building demolished all for the rescue of a kidnapped girl whose reward was less than $10,000?
Fuck you, lady.
Good answer. Huxley, what are you doing?
Just perusing some of your old case files. Fascinating stuff. Did you get the device?
Let me get this right. His Highness wants me to meet him for dinner and dancing at Taco Bell. Lord knows I wouldn't mind a burrito. So I could personally hand over the mysterious piece of evidence I nearly got killed collecting?
Can I come with you?
Thank you, John Spartan, for returning this piece to me. I suppose we can't know what it's for. Oh, it's just a toy. Dating back over a decade ago. Found after the franchise wars. Yeah, Taco Bell was last restaurant standing. Lenina told me. That's right. Well, I have to go now. I've got things to do. Unlock cloning lab, please. Unlock cloning chamber. Awaken subject 1. Simon Phoenix, I am Cocteau. You have been cloned from the original source for one purpose. Bring order back to the city of San Angeles. Back into my capable grasp. You will then return to your chamber to be disposed of. Do you understand? Say, you know what? I got a better idea. Let me show you. What are you doing? Wicked, my brothers. Come to Simon Phoenix 1, meet Simon Phoenix 2. Don't forget Simon Phoenix 3. Of course not. Who wants to hear the best plan ever? Oh, I do. We all have the same mind. We all know what's up. Yeah, we're gonna run this city to the ground. And ain't no demolition can out there that's gonna stop us this time.
Spartan, I've got some bad news.
Lay it on me, Huxley.
Kato is dead.
How?
Computer says he went to the secret cloning labs with the device you gave him. With it, he opened a top-secret cloning chamber. 3 clones of none other than Simon Phoenix killed him and escaped.
Oh, we gotta stop this.
Right. It's time to blow these guys.
Away. Blow these guys away.
Whatever.
You got away with words. Whoa, Spartan, how did you find us? Products. Come and get me, motherfucker. All these free car deals must be driving you insane, Spartan. Simon says die. Products. I was just having a little fun, Spartan. You gotta go ruin it. Shut your fucking mouth. I got a short fuse. Cut me a break. I'll give you a break.
Phoenix 3 is dead. Computer says Phoenix 2 is at the library.
Let's go read him his last rites.
The citizens are having their mind warped. It explains the Phoenix Army. Some sort of brain drill.
Yeah, but chaos at the auto park. Now something's going down at the library. Something doesn't add up. You're gonna regret this the rest of your life. Both seconds of it. Ew. Okay, Spartan, fun's over. Game's up, Phoenix. What are you really up to? Seeing if I got what it takes to make it big, Spartan. You're in for a hard fall. Speak for yourself. That bitch is crazy. You don't have what it takes. Not anymore. I just drill these brains, and they are mine to control. Where'd you go? Don't turn, Spartan. You forgot to say Simon Says.
Phoenix 1 is still out there. Computer doesn't seem to have a clue where though.
He'll turn up, and when he does, I'm gonna
put him in a hurt locker. I know.
I'm gonna love bombing this place.
San Angeles has been leveled by numerous explosions.
Phoenix 1 was setting it up while we were busy taking out the others. It was all one big distraction, and now he's won.
What are we gonna do, Spartan?
Kick his can. How does it feel to lose, John? You're about to find out. Admit it, you're impressed. But you two think all this over. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Moving to the closest city, I'm gonna do it again. And again and again. Enjoy your ruins. Huxley, are you okay?
Yeah, I guess. Let's get him before he gets away.
You're in no condition to after that last hit. You're staying here, Huxley.
Okay, fine. Just don't knock me out like you did last time.
What are you still doing here, boy? I'm here to shut you up and shut you down. Oh shit! You're gonna die. I'm gonna enjoy this too much, I'm sure. Just don't stop fighting it. You gotta let me have this fun. No, it's not supposed to happen like this. Time to fly, Phoenix. No. Smashing exit. Go on, Huxley. You try a one-liner.
Way to throw him out of a building only to have it land on him.
That'll do.